Hi, I'm Chris from Future Music. We're here on the Akai stand with Dan, with probably the biggest surprise of the show, the Rhythm Wolf analog drum machine. Yeah, take us through this and talk about why Akai made this sort of wooden-ended analog.
Well, this is a product we've been talking about for probably a good 4 or 5 years. The name is something that we've kind of been joking around for a few years now, and it's one of those things where it's just like, it just finally happened. It's a great product. It's analog drum machine, fully analog, has a kick drum, snare drum, this weird percussion synthesizer that can do sort of metallic, sort of clangy sounds. We almost called it clang, but then we were like, oh, yeah, one weird name is enough. And then we have a hi-hat, open and close. These are analog hi-hats. And then a bass synth, a really nice tight bass synth. It's a single oscillator synthesizer. You can play the bass synth in performance mode. You can play these as the 16 keys, transpose up and down an octave, or when you're in step mode, you just hit the pad and then to select it, and then you can say, okay, this one, and then you can turn and say, all right, I want note number, or I want C sharp 3 or whatever. It's a really cool piece. It's got CV gate trigger in and out, and it also has MIDI in and out. Obviously, you can sync to MIDI, sync to trigger, mono main out. And then if you plug this in, it takes the synthesizer out and you just get the drums out of here.
So we just must, there's no audio in this particular one here.
Right.
That's why we're not showing you audio. When do you expect these to be released, and when are we going to start actually hearing it?
We're probably going to do audio demos, I'm hoping, in the next week or two.
Okay.
We'll be putting them on our website, sharing them out to people. As far as availability, you're probably looking at July.
Okay, and price-wise?
It's going to be $199 US, and it comes with, check these out, fancy simulated wood grain end caps, which you can easily remove. You can put in, I don't know, if you want to make your own wood caps, or if you want to put fur on it or something ridiculous or
wolf
whatever.
Fur. Maybe
yeah,
wolf fur.
Yeah, get some nice shiny wolf fur, It's a fun product, and it's something you can really just add on to anything in your studio.
Okay. One final question. So the MIDI outs and stuff, that you can output the sequencing information? Yep. Okay, so you can trigger stuff in your door and that kind of thing as well?
Yep.
Excellent. Nice one. Thank you very much.
Great, thank you.